my grows up. The hipper, I'm gonna just slightly knock it down a little bit. I don't need a saw here for what I'm about to plant. Alright, I got a precision bush planter. There's different types out there. They all pretty much do the same thing. There's a little different size seed plates. And the seeds catch in here and they fall down a little slot. And they fall down here into the hopper. And it falls in out here in another hole. And it pushes and buries it. I'm planting some tender greens, which is a type of mustard green. And based on how much you fill it up is how thick it's going to plant. If you fill up to the hopper, to the full line, which is right here, it's going to plant it pretty thick. There's a little trick to it. When you go to push it, lean it to one side so it catches the seeds. But you can plant a lot pretty quick. Fast as you can walk. I just planted 2 rows of mustard greens. Now, when you're done, just pour it back in the bag. And when you're planting acres and acres, you know, it helps out. It's a little bit. You save a lot of money in seeds. It pays for itself very quickly.
Saves your back.
Yeah, it saves your back too.
Time is money, and you just saved a lot of money.
Because I'm about to plant something by hand. It goes pretty quick too still, but I'm gonna show you something a little different. Now, what I'm about to do is be something different. Alright, what I got right here, because Louisiana is so hot in that fall and even in the winter time, I got beet seeds and I soaked them in water and put them in the refrigerator, not the freezer, but the refrigerator, to cool them down. Every winter crop seed we get, whether it be spinach or cabbage or whatever, we put them in the refrigerator. You don't always soak them, but we put them in the refrigerator to cool them down. So when you take them and put them out here in the hot fall weather, which is in the 90s, it tricks the seeds into germinating faster and more accurately. You can get like up to almost 100% germination rate. All fall seeds, not summer seeds, but just fall seeds. Put them in the refrigerator. But you got big seeds like beets and Swiss chard and big old seeds at big pits. It's best to soak them overnight so they can soak up water and germinate. So I'm not gonna put those in there because when you soak your seeds, it gets sticky and it clogs it up. So I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna make my little trench. Notice I put my chain in front. And my chain is what buries the seeds. So I put my chain in front. Right now I'm just digging a trench. Alright, now I just need a big old trench. Now I'm gonna plant the seeds the old-fashioned way. This saves your back from a lot of trouble. I'm just taking this kind of just sprinkle them down. I learned that from an older foreman. He used to be a commercial, what they call market gardener. But we just call it truck patch garden. And he sells at farmers markets. And I think the Department of Agriculture told him to do that for Louisiana. They told him to soak his seeds or put them in the refrigerator for about 3-4 days and let them cool off. Because Louisiana is so hot.
Makes them think the fall done set in.
Yeah, it makes them think that they got to hurry and germinate before that cold weather hits in. And I tried it, and it's almost like even like your carrot seeds. Like carrot seeds are hard to germinate. 100% germination rate with carrots. And you can take a hoe, but I just kind of like an eraser. You just kind of just erase them into the ground. And that's that. That's 80 feet of beets I just planted. Actually two of them to the 160 feet. And that's a, well, you say right at 200 feet of tender greens I planted.